In this reading, we will going to have love reading and message from your person. Let's see the energy first. The situation first. Threatened. Oh, my loves. Okay. Right now, this is forbidden love. You are currently dealing with forbidden love. So, right now, maybe ikaw nakakaramdam yung connection na to, feeling forbidden. Okay, kung ano man yung connection na to, na meron ka situationship, this is forbidden. And sabihin na natin, right now, this is on the table. Merong offer proposal na parang, alam mo, you feel threatened. Alam mo yung, this is really embarrassed appearance when it comes to this connection. Kasi parang, feeling mo nga, this is threatened ka, my loves. Parang feeling mo, alam mo yun, parang embarrassed appearance, parang hindi magandang tingnan. Pero ito, ang blooming, my loves. Ang proposal na to. And this is, sabihin natin, commitment. Kung tatanong mo kung ito ay seryoso, yes. Pero right now, this is forbidden love. You are married, that's forbidden nga. Kasi, yun lang naman din, or you are taken, that's forbidden. Pero right now, my loves, you feel threatened sa proposal na to, sa forbidden love na to. Parang, eto, umiiwas ka, ayaw mong pag-usapan. Itong proposal na to, yan, tinanggihan. Pwedeng tinanggihan, my loves, because of this offer, proposal, and commitment. And still on the table, my loves. Andun pa rin yung proposal na yon, pero yun nga, ang dito ng energy ng connection na to, that is forbidden. And masasabi natin na embarrassed appearances, parang hindi siya magandang tingnan. Let's see more confirmation about this. Kasi kumbaga, they are embarrassed appearance. May embarrassed appearance. Pero kung titingnan natin ha, ito is meant for something because of this bloom. Kung makikita mo, ang saya dito ng feeling, napaka-positive dito. Kung dito titingnan mo, there's darkness here. Pero dito sa commitment na to, pwedeng ito yung nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, nagbibigay sa'yo ng saya, and aligned because of this energy, yung purple energy, masasabi natin aligned sa'yo. Pero parang hindi siya maganda, hindi siya magandang tingnan, hindi siya nararapat. You are feeling threatened. And yes, dito merong new beginnings, maaaring ang endings bring new beginnings. May something na mag-e-end and magbibigay ng new beginnings. Pero my loves, look, tingnan mo yung confirmation, my loves. Kasi dito, itong forbidden love na to, pwedeng masabi natin na sa ngayon ay hindi pwede. Pero may paparating na growth and change dito. May liberation, my loves, na dumating dito. Transition para sa love connection mo, sa love life mo. Merong matatapos at merong new beginning na paparating. So sa right now, hindi siya forbidden siya, pero merong endings may matatapos, my love, with this coffin. And right now, sabihin natin na itong proposal na to, lack of confidence talaga siya. Masasabi natin na nandun yung fear, nandun yung jealousy. Pwede ding nagkukos yan ng jealousy. Pwede ding ikaw ay involved sa jealousy. Pwede ding yung person na to na nagpropose sa'yo ay nagseselos sa'yo, or ikaw ay makakaramdam ng pagseselos. Right now, they are frustrated. Feeling nila hindi pa nila lahat na i-express sa'yo. Feeling nila, alam mo yung lack of confidence pa kasi alam nyo na this is forbidden. Kaya lumitaw tong card na to. Parang feeling nila na hindi tama. Pero nagsa-self-sabotage kayo, my loves. Parang gusto niya yung offer, yung proposal, pero parang alam niyang hindi tama, not enough. Nawawalan siya ng confidence, my loves, kung sino man tong nag-o-offer ng love na to. Feeling niya, hindi pa niya kaya talaga. And, feeling niya, my loves, nandun yung takot, andun pa rin yung lack of confidence. Pero, frustrated to, my loves sa relationship na to, sa offer niya sa'yo, sa commitment na gusto niya. And right now, yes, parang hindi siya magandang tingnan, pero biglang lumabas dito, my loves, yung growth. Another growth na naman, my loves. In connection with this one. Hindi siya magandang tingnan right now, pero nandito yung stability. Maaaring dito ma-feel yung stability and security. And also the permanence. Pwede ding, my loves, siya na yung pinaka-last. Ayan, permanence. And nandun yung endurance, my loves. Hindi man siya magandang tingnan, pero I hear na parang dito kasi humuhugot pa siya ng lakas lack of confidence pa siya, nandun pa yung takot. Gustong-gusto talaga niya yung proposal na commitment na to, pero nandun pa yung takot na parang yan nga, na hindi magandang tingnan, na yung judgment, my loves. Pero dito sa connection na to, yung hindi magandang tingnan na to, nandito ang security and stability ng love life mo. And if you are asking na yes, forbidden siya right now, pero nandyan ang endings and new beginnings, my loves. Dalawang growth. So, meron na, pwede din na may contribute ng situationship na to ay growth sa'yo. Ng proposal na to, pwedeng mag-contribute sa'yo ng growth. So, right now, andun pa talaga yung sabihin nating lack of confidence pa, hindi pa talaga fully na niya na i-project kung ano man yung gusto niyang commitment na i-offer sa'yo. Pero, nasa kanya yung stability, nandito. Kaso right now, that is forbidden. Forbidden love. Pero, nasa kanya, my loves. Kung hindi man siya, sabihin natin, hindi pa siya nga sa ngayon, pero nandito andito yung stability and security. Kasi lumitaw dito, my loves, yung endings. May matatapos talaga. May relationship na matatapos at merong new beginning na paparating. Okay, let's see more clarifier. Okay, leaving a legacy. Long-term success, my loves. So, I also hear na dito mo rin makakamtan yung financial stability with the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so, eto, yun yung proposal na to because of this forbidden and this embarrass. Lack of direction. Kumbaga, diba dito, lack of confidence, nandun na, nagkaroon na siya ng takot, nagkaroon na siya ng, sabihin nating, fear. And ayan na nga, lumitaw na din dito yung sabihin nating, holding back. Parang natatakot na ulit siya na mag-start ng something. Parang nagkaroon na siya ng, dati parang ready siya sumubok. Ready siya sumubok, my loves. Pero ngayon parang nandun na ulit yung takot. Pero dito, my loves, I hear na leaving a legacy. Meron ditong family, may financial security, my loves, dito na sabihin natin isa sa magiging privilege ng relationship na to. Financial security. Pero right now, my loves, you are dealing with this obstacle. Nawawalan ka ng direksyon. Ito, yung naidudulot ng embarrass appearance na to is lack of direction. Parang feeling mo powerless ka, my loves. Gusto mong mag-give up because of the opposition. Hinahadlangan, ikaw mismo yung humahadlang. Kasi nandito giving up dito sa forbidden love na to. Parang ikaw yung nag-give up. That's why, yung connection, parang nawawala ng direction, my loves. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung darating yung time ng ano na to, endings, ang ganda eh. May stability na paparating. Pero right now, dito, parang kumbaga nag-hold back eh. Nandito yung hold back. And dito yung lack of direction. And ito ay kinoconsider mo, this situationship, this connection, kinoconsider mo siyang obstacle. You are losing direction regarding this connection. And right now, habang sabihin natin dito sa coffin na to, may endings nga na paparating. Sinabi natin, growth, financially, liberation. Liberation, my loves, pwede nga eh, di ba? Ayan o, endings to, tapos liberation. Pwede mong makamtan to, my loves. Pero right now, I hear na ang paparating sa'yo is financial security. Na may kinalaman sa yung family, sa yung family wealth, inheritance, pwede din yan. Pwede din if you are married, ayan, pwede din. Financial, ano yan, family wealth eh. After nitong endings na to. Pwede yun din yun, no? Pero double growth, my loves. Double growth yung lumitaw sa'yo. So, nandun din yung financial stability, pwede din yan, and financial success. Pero dito, sa forbidden love na to, right now, nawawalan siya ng direction, my loves. Kasi you are giving up. You are losing direction. Hindi mo alam, para bang kumukontra, ang daming hadlang, feeling mo, opposition. Kasi ito, my loves, itong chariot, pag yan ay naka-upright, alam niya yung direction niya, mabilis. Alam niya kung siya patutungo. Pero right now, parang di mo alam kung saan patutungo ito. Okay, let's see. Ano ba ang meron sa connection na to? Sa forbidden love na to? Nasang stages ba kayo? Nasang stage ba kayo? Isa lang. My gosh, my love, so you are soulmate. You are clearing core wounds. So, itong forbidden love na to, ang may tendency, my loves, na mag-heal ng mga wounds mo, my loves. Sabihin natin na after mo yung lesson mo sa life, pwedeng maparealize ng taong to. Pero yung, sabihin natin, no, clearing core wounds, pwedeng siya ang mag-heal, matulungan kanyang mag-heal, my loves. Because you are soulmate. Sabihin natin, with the 3-3, pwedeng iyan din ang ibinigay sa'yo ng yung ancestors and spirit guides. Pwede din ikaw ang pinipili ng kanyang lineage. Because of this 10 of Pentacles, pwedeng ikaw din yung pinipili. Pero eto, clearing core wounds, my loves eh. Take your power back. Take your power back. You are giving someone control over how you feel. Your happiness should only depend on you. Baka masyado kang natathreaten dito, my loves. Pero take your power back. This is unbreakable love. This person has genuine love for you. You can overcome any issues that may arise, my loves. Sa ngayon, pati ikaw, kumbaga, hindi tama. Hindi ka nagagandahan sa appearances, pero pati ikaw kumukontra dito dahil nga that is forbidden. Pero may loves, nakokontrol ka ng mga judgment na yon. Pakinggan mo, your happiness should only depend on you. Kailangan gumawa ka ng paraan para yung happiness na yon, my loves, is kasi dito nagkakaroon na nawawala na kayo ng direction eh. Itong forbidden love na to, nawawala na ng direction. Parehas kayo. Siya pinanghihinaan na ng loob because of poor judgment, na parang natatakot na rin siya. They are afraid to start something again, to start something new again. Pero dito, this is unbreakable love dahil soulmate kayo, my loves. This person has genuine love. Totoo yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Let's see message from this person. We both know. My life is not as together as it seems. Love ka talaga ng taong to, and confirmation na this is forbidden. Tanggap niya na forbidden to. my loves. Isa yon sa nakakapagpahina ng loob niya. We both know that I am not one for you. Kumbaga, tanggap niya na this love, this connection is forbidden. But my life is not together as this seems. Kung akala mo okay siya right now, okay na siya, itong taong to, na tinutukoy natin dito sa connection na to, hindi, my loves. Hindi siya okay right now. And I love you. They still in love. They still into you, my loves. They still into you. Dreams. Share your dreams together and encourage each other to make them reality. Okay, my loves, marami pa kayong matutupad na pangarap. Pero right now, kung sabihin natin, huwag kang mainip, meron ding endings and beginnings right now. Dito ka, meron kasing 10 of Pentacles dito. Yun muna ang pagpokusan mo, my loves, hanggat hindi dumarating doon. Pero kung gusto mong makakita yung side ng person mo, eto, my loves. Love ka, totoong love to, my loves. Soulmate kayo. And darating din ang time na mapag-sharean nyo yung mga plano nyo sa isa't isa. Kasi nandito yung farm tree. Yun yung stability, indication ng stability and security. Darating din yun, nakalaan din yun. Okay? Kasi dito maaring parehas kayo, my loves, na naguguluhan. Parehas na kayong walang direksyon. Pero isa lang ang dito, isa lang ang sure, my loves. And eto, my loves, you have to forgive and learning. Ito na nga yung clearing core wounds. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. You have to forgive. Kung ano man yung mag-e-end na yan, i-forgive mo yan, my loves. Kung ano man yung naranasan mo sa past life, sa past love life mo, you have to forgive din. Hindi din, kumbaga, welcome itong situationship na to hanggat hindi ka nagpo-forgive sa yung past. And dapat din ipakita mo na natuto ka na, my loves. You have to clear these core wounds. You have to heal. Okay? You have to forgive. Let's see advice from angels and guides. Yun. Okay, the past is now behind you. Confirmation, my loves. Release it and embrace new possibilities. I-release mo na. Paulit-ulit, oh. Forgiving and release the past. Mag-move on ka, my loves. Baka hindi ka pa talaga totally move on. Dito, sa endings na to. Sa previous love, baka hindi ka pa totally move on. You have to move on. You have to forgive. Release it and embrace a new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. My loves. Ikaw yung follow it with faith, my loves. A new path is now available to you. Okay? Pakinggan mo kung ano. Dito kasi talaga kung itatanong mo kung yung sa go signal, yes, naka go signal. This is available. Follow it, my loves. Take your power back. Huwag mong hayaan na yung judgment ng ibang tao yung makakontrol siya yung happiness. Okay, kung meron ka pang katanungan kay angels and guides, this is their answer. Kung ano man yung tanong mo kay angels and guides, this is your answer. Helpful people. Eto, my loves, tinutulungan ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, makinig ka. Tinutulungan ka nila, they are, sabihin nila, kung nagsasend sila ng support, makinig ka sa kanila. Kung meron silang ina-advise sa'yo, maaaring iyan yung, kumbaga, iyan yung binless ni angels para makatulong sa'yo, para supportahan ka. Tingnan mo. Hindi lang si spirits ang nakasuporta sa'yo, pati yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. Helpful people. Kung nakakaramdam ka ng support, my loves, follow it. Release kung ano man yung nagpipigil sa'yo sa past. Helpful people, magtiwala ka, my loves. Kasi, kumbaga, yung mga taong yan binigay sa'yo para supportahan ka and i-guide. And you are blossoming right now. You are just getting started. Merong natapos at ngayon nagsisimula ka pa lang. Kung feeling mo lost ka na, parang nag-give up ka na, my loves, parang ang daming gulo, nagsisimula ka pa lang, my loves. Dahil nga may endings and beginnings, you are dealing with endings and beginnings. You are just getting started. So you have patience with yourself and the process. Do not give up. Huwag mong i-give up, my loves, itong connection na to. So my loves, dito, kailangan mong i-take back your power. And sabihin natin, right now, lack of movement talaga. Pero, kailangan, habang wala pa to, you have to forgive. Forgive yourself. You have to release the past. Remember, may taong nagmamahal sa'yo. May taong, kumbaga, pinanghinaan ng loob. Pero, mahal ka nito. This is unbreakable love. And ito naman, is-supported ka ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. The past is now behind you. I-release mo na yan. Kung iyan ay yan yung threatened sa'yo, i-release mo, i-forgive mo na din yung taong yan. Kasi may nagmamahal sa'yo. This person has genuine love for you. You can overcome any issues that may arise. Kung nakikita mo okay siya, hindi. My life is not as together as it seems. Hindi siya okay. They love you. They still in love. Kung siya ay eto, nireject mo dito because this love is forbidden. Eto. At kung nakikita mo, wala na siyang direction about this connection dahil nga pinanghinaan siya ng loob. Kung akala mo, nag-move on na siya, hindi. My life is not as together as it seems. They still in love because they still in love with you. May feelings pa rin siya, my loves. Okay, and that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.